Hey, good morning, good evening, everyone. Welcome to today's course, Software Engineer Role in Tech Careers 101. Let's get started. Who is a software engineer? A professional responsible for designing, developing is nothing but coding, testing the code, and maintaining the computer software. Required skills, any of the programming languages, knowledge, and at least medium experience in writing the code in programming languages such as Java, Python, C Sharp, JavaScript, C++. And from the UI side, it's around HTML, CSS. There are some UI frameworks. All these folks are called, software engineers. There will be back-end engineers, front-end engineers, full stack engineers who can write back-end programming, front-end programming. These are all classified as a software engineers. The tools they use, generally they use the software development tools like IDEs to write the code, Git kind of repositories to check in the code, the source control. So these are the basic tools used by the software engineer. The average salary in the United States is around $90,000. In India, it's around 8 lakh rupees. Once a person spends a couple of years as a software engineer, they get promoted to the senior software engineer. This person will have a deep understanding of at least one programming language. And what are the required skills? They have a deep proficiency in the programming language, and there are some good frameworks that they use to connect to the database, to maintain some design patterns. So they will have the experience and exposure to that, and they should be able to work collaboratively with the software engineers, business analysts, QA, and other folks. The average salary for senior software engineers, it depends on company size and location. It's around $120,000 in USA, and in India around 15 lakh rupees annually. Lead software engineer. They play a crucial role in planning, designing, and implementing software solutions. They coordinate with software developers. They work with other stakeholders such as business analysts, quality engineers like for testing, and CI/CD means continuous integration and continuous deployment, DevOps related people, and project managers. Required skills, good analytical skills, and excellent experience in the programming language, and hands-on experience, work experience as a software and senior software engineer. And from the lead standpoint, we see this person will start showing some leadership qualities such as communicating with a team, prioritizing, and working with people, resolving conflicts, kind of skills that are expected out of the lead engineer. The tools used are project management tools along with the software development and coding standards and software quality assurance practices, and some frameworks organizationally they will be familiar with. The average salary is around $135,000 in the USA and India around 30 lakh rupees. IT architect. From the lead engineer, when a person spends a couple of years as a lead engineer, natural transition for them to get promoted. I saw with my experience in couple of organizations, they can choose the technical role or they can choose the management role. If they are going in the technical role, they will go and become a IT architect. This role involves more on designing the IT systems, networks, and software solutions. There will be upstream systems, downstream systems, some integrations. The required skills are expertise, knowledge in the system architecture, programming experience in at least couple of languages, and translate complex technical requirements into solutions or high level designs. They should not only focus on the technical aspects or functional aspects of the project or the requirements. They need to focus on non-functional requirements such as scalability, availability, disaster recovery, and data archive. There are a bunch of architectural things that the architect need to focus on. The tools used are enterprise architectural frameworks such as TOGAF or ZACMAN kind of frameworks, and they will be using the diagramming tool extensively to communicate, to capture, and review with the development teams and other stakeholders. The average salary around $150,000 per annum, and in India around 40 lakh rupees for a IT architect. If a person choose to get into the management, they are called as IT manager. The role includes supervisor responsibilities like hiring, budgets, and mentoring the people. The required skills are leadership skills, team management, conflict resolution, communication skills, and project management or operational management like ITIL. And tools used are project management tools such as Jira, Trello, ITSM tools, and operations wise, they will be generating, reports, monthly reports, how they are progressing. If there are any projects, they collaborate with the project managers to show the value. And if there are any bottlenecks in the team, if some team members require some coaching or mentoring or some training, they will be facilitating all those kind of things. The average salary around $150,000 per annum, in India around 40 lakh rupees annually. Here you can see the career progression: software engineer, senior software engineer, lead engineer, IT manager or architect, then senior manager. Based on the organization structure, they can get promoted to the director of applications. So just to wrap it up, this software engineer is a very crucial role. These are the folks actually who writes the code and work with different stakeholders and deploy the code. Hope you learned something by watching this video. Looking forward to talk to you in my next video. Bye for now.